Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. BMW is out. The Porsche 955 is gone. It's gonna be a short video today. Finally, hopefully, I'll be able to get well within under my 5-minute mark. I do need to charge that battery. Here, excuse the mess. Here we go. Actually, we'll do a quick test. Move this over here to the side, and here's just the old regular Stanley small charger. Showing to connect the clamps, and still doesn't even register. Nothing. Dead. But hopefully I'm not over hyping this. I don't know why that's up there, but clamp it on there, clamp it over there, and it shows up on here. Automatically going. I guess I'll update you on the next video. But yeah, I really do need to clean up in here. Leaves have gotten in, trash has gotten in. Yeah, but BMW's outside. The Porsche's gone. Yeah, it's pretty much all the only real updates I have for today. The 22 Auto Culture 3-piece wheels did go with the Porsche. So those of y'all who know me know I'll be probably searching for more wheels. I believe we only have 3 more videos for the year. So hopefully, let's be honest, I probably won't make major updates or progress. So the last few videos will be of me, probably rambling. I do want to go ahead and pull in the 8.6 coupe, since that one needs less work than the 8.6 hatch, and most likely be putting it in the corner over here. So I guess fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. 3 minutes, hell yeah. Today's life lesson, we'll go with put a value on your time. Sometimes the juice ain't worth the squeeze, as people say. Know what projects and what's worth your time, and when you just have to go ahead and cut bait. But yeah, I guess that'll be it for this week. I will see y'all next weekend.